Hey guys, today I wanna tell about my favorite Figma plugins. These plugins I used almost every day, so let's jump into Figma and I will show you. Now we are in Figma and this is one of my past projects, and let's start with my super favorite. This plugin is called Content Reel, and with this plugin you can fill people's avatars, you can fill different images, you can fill whatever. For example, if you need some text, you just run this Content Reel plugin, go to text section. So if you need numbers, if you need names, if you need fake emails, addresses, anything. So for this screen I will just want to paste lorem ipsum. So you apply it and you have a paragraph of text. Now same goes to images. We select the boxes with the images, where the images need to be placed, and select the image tab, find what we want, and it applies to the boxes. Really nice way to fill the dummy boxes with text, with images. Let's move on to the next one. And the next plugin, Clean Document. So with this plugin you can remove all the hidden layers, you can sort them, you can even make pixel perfect. But in our example I will just show you how it removes the hidden layers. Go to Clean Document and delete hidden layers. Now it doesn't have any hidden layers. We can show it one more time on welcome screen. You see, it was removed. Really nice. The other nice plugin is called Rename It, this one. And with this plugin you can give names to all your elements. So we select these groups that doesn't have any real name and let's go into Rename It. We'll give it a name of, let's say, card, percentage and n. This thing, it will give numbers to every card. And then this is the preview that you can see. We click rename and all these groups now turned into card 1, card 2, card 3. Really nice, can be applied to anything. The next my favorite plugin is called Autoflow. And with this plugin you can show the user flow. If we run the plugin and we select two entities, two screens for example, it will be connected with the arrow, like this. If we select the button and the screen, it will connect the button with the screen. Same with the cards, so this is mountain biking, let's select this mountain biking card and this screen. Boom, now it's connected with an arrow. Really nice, you can control the arrow color, arrow shapes, corner radius and stuff like that. No need to draw anything with your hands, just run the plugin and connect everything. And the next plugin that I use frequently is called Lottie Files, and it's for animations. So for example, we have these two buttons connected in prototype, and we have it like this. Then we can select both of them, run the Lottie files and click export to Lottie. This animation will be exported as a JSON file that you can use in your future projects. And by the way, I have a Lottie tutorial on my channel. You can see the video on your screen right now. If you want, you can create your own animations. Thanks for watching this video, give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and see you in the next one.